So there are a lot of these robots around. By day it's beautiful, by night it's insane. Hi, I am in Dubai right now. As you can see, there's the Burj Khalifa. And in this video I'm going to show you how to get started at Expo Dubai 2020. From how to get there, how to get tickets and everything. I'm also going to show you my first impressions. It's my first day here and now it's time to go. I have to take the lift, go to the metro, it's right there, and I'm going to the expo. So this is my hotel right here. Now it's time to take the metro. So that's the metro station right there, and I have to take the red line to the metro. Now I'm going to take some tickets and then I'll show you how much it is. And as I said, you have to take a red metro line. You will see Expo 2020, so that's very easy. And you can choose to take a single trip or buy an old card, this one I show you on the picture. And you have to charge this card every time you take the metro, so you don't have to buy a ticket every time. And from the financial district it costs about 10 dirhams to get to the expo. And yes, nice to take the metro. So that is the train station of the expo, and if you haven't already bought the tickets online, you can go down there and buy the tickets, and you have to check the offers online. But if you're a student like me, it's totally free for the whole season, so that's nice. And right at the entrance you can buy the expo passport, where you can collect all the stamps, and it's about 20 dirhams per passport, so it's going to be very nice. So one of the first things you have to do is to link your ticket to the expo application, so you can use smart queues and all the benefits of technology. So let's do this. There's a robot giving maps. So I just made it inside. I'm now walking under the dome. This is insane, look at this. It's incredible. I'm going to make a special video only for the expo. And in this video I'm just going to give you some basic infos. But a full video about the expo is coming. So keep an eye on that, it's going to be amazing. So right now, as you can see, it's already getting dark. But for today I'm just getting an idea of how expo looks like. And from tomorrow I will be here the whole day exploring all the pavilions. And tonight I'm maybe getting one of two. I'm going to see the dome with the lights. Thank you. So they also give you free water, so that's another good thing. So there are a lot of these robots around. They are very cool, and if you don't move, they tell you to move. Wow, look at this! I can also hear some music because there are also a lot of live events right here. So I'm now going inside the Netherlands Pavilion, right here, and I'm Dutch, so that's very nice. It's going to be my first pavilion. Hello. So, that was the Dutch Pavilion. It was nice to see. The queue was not too long. It was worth it. Those umbrellas were very cool. Let's go to the next one. Thank you. Thank you.
Weźcie pauzu, tak jest, tak 50 minut.
Thank you. Going inside the Italian Pavilion. So the statue of David is 3D printed, and the nice part is that you can see it face to face, because if you go to Florence, you are all the way to the bottom. And it's made in real scale. Look at this. And that was the Italian Pavilion. Another nice one to see. By day it's beautiful, by night it's insane. Incredible! So, the last show under the dome was insane. And right now I'm going back to my hotel, and I'm going to the expo back tomorrow. So I'll see you at my hotel to show you two more things. So, and here I'm again. As you can see, this is not my hotel room, and that's because I forgot to end the video. But that's not a problem, I just wanted to sum everything up. So to get there, Expo 2020, red line in the metro, that's very easy. But it can get very crowded sometimes, so if you upgrade your ticket for about 5 dirhams more, you can sit in the golden class cabin. It's less crowded and you get a very nice view in front because there's no driver. As soon as you get to the expo, don't forget to buy your passport, because it's a lot of fun to collect all the stamps from all the pavilions. And don't forget to link your ticket to the Expo application, because in that way you can book smart queues and you save a lot of time by booking your visits. And as I said, I'm going to make a video with all the best pavilions you have to see, so check the video out as soon as it will be uploaded. And yes, this is going to be the end of this video. Now just one last thing, don't forget to subscribe, so go down and click on the subscribe button, leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!